Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing some Dollar Tree fall DIYs. I'm doing a little bit of blue today. I don't know, like everybody has their different color preference with fall, and I don't know what my color preference is yet. So I did some blue. I'm doing a little bit of everything in the house just to see what I like the best, and that's probably what I'll display throughout the house eventually down the road, maybe in 2 weeks, maybe in 4 days, I don't know. But you guys, anyways, this video, I'm doing a collab with my friend Nicole from The Week's Nest. If you guys haven't heard of her, make sure you go and check her channel out. She does a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs. She does upcycling videos. Her channel is great. So if you guys haven't checked her channel out, make sure you do. Links will be in the description box below so you can do that. So I don't know why I always do this. I feel like this is weird. This is super weird. That's really weird. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna like put my hands under my legs. So you guys, if you guys are new and coming over from Nicole's channel, hello, welcome. I obviously like to collect my hands through some videos. I don't know. I always feel like I don't know what to do with my hands. So now, here we go again. You guys, anyways, I do Dollar Tree DIYs. I do decorating videos, reviews. I don't know, whatever I feel like I want to do that day. I do all kinds of stuff. But anyways, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys on my Dollar Tree fall DIY. So for this first DIY, I'm just going to be using a pizza pan, and this came from the Dollar Tree, and then some of this white spray paint from Walmart, and this was 97 cents. And then I'm just going to be using a free printable, and it's of the truck, and this was a pumpkin one. They had a bunch of different ones, and I will leave that link in the description box so you guys can check that out, but they're actually like little traceables, and I thought this was going to be super simple just to trace right onto the pizza pan. Before I did that, I did want this to look like shiplap. I don't know what I was thinking, but I took this ruler and everything was not perfect. I totally know that. Like it was a mistake. Like, we all make mistakes, but I did kind of fix it in the end because a lot of the little flaws that I did have that you can totally tell, I did cover them up very, very well. And then next, I'm just using these galvanized words from the Dollar Tree. I decided to use welcome, and this big giant bow came from Walmart after fall last year. That is my favorite time to buy things, is after the season and after holiday, because everything is 50 to 90% off. And then I just took some Scotch tape and taped the truck, and then I traced around it with a pen. And then because I used pencil on the back side, it made a beautiful little tracing. And that is the simplest way to do this with words, with letters, with anything. And then I'm just taking a Sharpie and going around the truck, and then I'm going to paint it. I just had a bunch of colors from Walmart in like the acrylic apple barrel paint, and that is just what I used here. So if you dig your pen too much into this, it will make a mess and it will start scratching off the paint on the pizza pan. But I totally redeemed myself by doing a few coats of paint. I actually did 3 coats of paint. I used, like I said, everything in the apple barrel, and I will leave the names of those colors in the description box below.
Wait now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, there are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time.
And then once the truck was painted, that is when I took my hot glue and started hot gluing the bow and the little galvanized welcome words. And I think that turned out pretty cute.
Looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in.
This next DIY really isn't a DIY. My mom actually gave me this little blue truck. She got this after Christmas from Walmart. I think it was like $7 or $8. And it had like popcorn or pancake mix or something. It was definitely like with the food. But I thought this was really cute, and this is kind of what inspired me to do this blue theme. And I just took some little pumpkin clips from the Dollar Tree and took the clips off and put them right in the back.
My groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where
And then now I just have this fabric from Dollar Tree, and it's like this little blue buffalo check, and I'm just taking a mason jar and some cotton stems and putting everything in here. I'm bending the cotton stems and not cutting them because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this way, and I just kind of like reusing a lot of items, so I don't like cutting as much as I used to because now I know things are reusable. And I'm just taking this fabric and just kind of wadding it up so the mason jar is covered, and then taking some of this white twine I got from Burlap fabric, and I'm just tying a little bow and using this little gather sign. This came from Hobby Lobby after spring. It was only like $1 or $2, but I thought this gave it just a little bit more. But I think this turned out really, really cute for like a blue buffalo check. And for the last one, I'm just using one of these wooden pumpkins and a free printable, and all I'm going to do is sand some of the words down, and then I'm just going to take Mod Podge I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have these little bottles for a really long time, so I think it's definitely worth the $1. And then I'm just going to lay the free printable right on top and wait for it to dry. And then once that was done, like I said, I cut around the edges, but I didn't show that because, I don't know, I just feel like nobody really wants to watch that. And then I just took some sandpaper and roughed the edges up just a little bit. And then I'm just taking this Admiral Blue acrylic paint and then just painting around the edges of the pumpkin. I did go over this 3 times just so there wasn't any paintbrush marks like showing, and because this is what you can definitely see. I had to take off the little bow, but I'm really liking these little raffia bows, so I did just end up putting it back on there because I think it's just really, really cute. Alright, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any more fun videos. And also make sure you go and check out Nicole from the Week's Nest. I will leave her links in a video in the description box below so you can go and check her out. But that is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! For